Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Blackview Tab 16. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up by hitting the same options in both apps. Start by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then choose confirm, continue and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select not now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now choose Close in white pop-up at the top and finally hit Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Tablet. Also on Samsung, select all of those categories available at the top and pick multiple files that you wish to send. When you finished, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then tap on Download after Watch Ad. You can also scan this QR code. In order to do that, just click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, and allow camera access in the pop-up. Then point your Blackview's camera at the code. As you can see now, after a short while, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!